Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a REALME GT3 and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. So I'd like to begin with the shortest codes which I've prepared for today's video. So let's open the dialer and enter the first code, which is *#06#. And as you can see, by this code we are provided with both IMEI numbers of this device. So let's tap on OK. And now another code which is *#07#. So it is quite similar. And here you can check the maximum SAR level. So let's tap on OK, and another code which is pretty easy to remember. It is *#1234#. And here we've got the information about the version. Another code will show the phone information. It is *#6776#. And here we've got the software version. So for example, we can check the exact model, master date, version, or PCB number. Let's go back, and another code, it is *#800#. And here we can open the feedback menu. So basically, if you meet some strange problems with your device, for example with the touch sensor, with the screen overall, with apps, multimedia, display, etc., you can report them. So for example, let's pretend I've got problems with the screen display and the colors. So here we can turn on the screen recording, and I highly recommend to do that, so you will be able to show the problem. Here you've got also the steps, so you can check what is the best way to report such a thing, and you can take here in this option, you can take a 3-finger screenshot within 3 seconds, etc. Oh, a little bug. Okay, and report it just upon start, and record and report it. And here you've got your feedback, so you can check any kind of reported issues. All right, another code is *#888#, and here we can check the PCB number and scan this QR code and check more information about the device. Another code is *#225#. And here we got the calendar info, and basically you will need to be logged into the Google account to be able to check the calendar info. But basically here you will have the information about all of the saved events. You will have some family events, some holidays in your country should also be right here, or events attached to your mail. Another code, and the last code for today's video, is *#426###, and here we've got the diagnostics. So here we can check the server, host, port, time connected. We can also tap on events, and here we've got some further details. After tapping on the 3 dots icon, you can show advanced view. Just tap on it and tap on the status, and here we've got more information like heartbeat, last ping, or HB algorithm. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.